I'll show you how to add a clean white border to your images using Canva. Whether you're designing social media posts, product photos, or creative layouts, adding a border is an easy way to make your visuals stand out and look more polished. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva on your browser or app and make sure you're signed in. Once you're logged in, open the design that contains the image you want to edit. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new design and upload your photo from your device. Now, click directly on the image you'd like to add a border to. Once selected, you'll notice editing options appear along the top of your workspace. From there, click on the edit option to access more detailed image adjustments. This section allows you to tweak brightness, contrast, saturation, and of course, apply special effects. Within the edit menu, scroll or look for the shadows feature. Don't be thrown off by the name. This tool does more than add shadows. It includes several preset effects, one of which we'll use to create a smooth border. Click on shadows and a panel will appear with multiple shadow styles to choose from. Find and select the outline option. The moment you click it, Canva will automatically apply a border around your image. You'll see a basic outline appear, but you can fully customize its color and thickness to match your style. Next, let's turn that outline white. In the outline settings panel, locate the color icon. It's usually a small circle or square showing the current color of your border. Click it to open the color picker. You'll find white among the default colors, or you can enter a color code if you want a specific tone. Select white and your image will now display a clean, professional looking white border. To refine it further, adjust the thickness slider under the outline settings. Dragging it to the right increases the width of the border, while moving it left makes it thinner and more subtle. Take a moment to preview your result and find the balance that fits your design best. Once you're satisfied, you can apply additional effects if you'd like. For example, adjusting transparency or adding a light shadow for a layered look. Canva makes it easy to experiment, so feel free to test different combinations until your image looks just right. And that's it. You've successfully added a white border to your image in Canva. This simple technique can completely transform your visuals, giving them a clean edge and a more professional aesthetic. Before you finish, make sure to save your project or download the final design in your preferred format. Canva automatically saves as you work, but it's always a good idea to double check. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tips and design tricks. Thanks for watching and happy creating.